Do you have an idea of a number you were looking to?
For everything?
Yeah.
I wanted 50 for all of it.
50.
And the one DVD set cost that much new when it was bought.
Yeah.
Scott's got it pulled out right in his pocket. My skin has been all the way up there, and I can drag it there.
You can have that if you want.
I was just trying to see what it was.
Yeah.
Is it a little MP3 player or something? Is that what it is?
And you download the music to it and all that stuff. Now everything's phone and all that.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
I seen the clip. It's probably like for jogging or running or something. Maybe like.
Maybe. It's old technology, that's for sure.
Yeah. Old new technology, I guess.
Right. Yeah.
Something like that.
That's a good term.
Did
They
these?
have $3 or so.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. If they got prices on them, stick it out there.
Well, if you're giving it away, I'll check it out. Is there there's different families here type thing? Okay.
Yeah, 2 families over there, and then us, and then him. So there's 4 here.
I pulled this cassette for 50 cents over at this is it. Okay. Just making sure I don't need to go back here before I start getting lost. I'll give you $1 for. Okay. This was yours too? Yeah. Okay, it was over in that free pile type of thing.
Yeah. Over the years, we got so many battery chargers and all that.
Yeah. Gotta dig. What do we got? Sensei. Do you know if this works last time you used it?
He knows that.
If you can remember, maybe at all?
It seemed like the DVD worked, but not the
VHS.
Right.
Yeah, I know those are normally an issue.
Right, they are.
Are you looking for VHS player?
Just anything really electronics. I'll grab. What do you have on this?
$5.
$5.
You can open it if you want to make sure the case got a little.
Yeah, it got a little funny, huh?
Yeah, you can open it if you want to see if it. I don't imagine it's broken, but.
Would you take 2 for it at all?
Yeah.
$2. All right.
It's 10 for all 3 of those.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a case that you put, like we use it,
This guy?
yeah, from Amazon. Like when you travel, you put your cords and your
Just all kinds of, yeah.
yeah,
Whatever you
little
want in there.
charger pouch.
Yeah. What do you have on that speaker?
That's my daughter's. Let me call her right quick. She just went to put the signs out.
Oh, no worries. You can wait if I'm sure she's not far and we'll be back soon if you want.
Now, let me tell you about that. Not a thing wrong with it. So mine wasn't working.
Uh-huh.
So they told me something was wrong with it, and I bought another one. It was my speakers. It
Oh, no
wasn't
way.
the system.
Wow. That's unfortunate.
Look it up.
Yeah, I was just trying to see if
What does it say? the value?
if it would fit the size
Oh,
and everything.
it said $10 for the beat.
$10 for that.
Yeah.
Do you know what you would be asking for this?
25.
25.
Yep. That thing cost $279.
No way.
From the speaker place, the car on Robeson Street.
Uh-huh.
That's where I got it.
Wow.
And then I thought they did something wrong, so I went to Rudy's to get the next one, and come to find out there was nothing wrong with it.
Mm-hmm. Would you do 30 for both?
That one's hers, that one's mine. I'll do 25. I don't know if she.
Okay, sure. Okay,
I mean, that's 35.
Yeah.
That's a good deal for both of those.
That's true. Let me just think of on that real quick here. See what else.
You want a necklace?
Nope.
Does the girl want a necklace?
No, I think she should be all right. She doesn't wear necklaces too much, honestly.
I used to wear them in my other job, and then I switched and work at a clinic. I wear scrubs.
Yeah.
So no jewelry.
Yeah, that's what she's in medical too. So. Three?
I don't think it's ever been worn.
Yeah, it's got a little sticker on it, but seems like it might have come off. But
Heel figure. That might be too small. I think it's more
yeah.
fitting like a girl, but that's a guy's jacket there. That
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was gonna say that either of us could probably make use of this. There's 3. Thank you. All right. 35
All right.
for those
Thank
two.
you.
Thank you. I'm assuming there's nothing wrong with this guy, hopefully. All right, appreciate it.
it look.
What do you guys have in your records?
The records are $1 a piece.
$1 piece? Has someone come through here already at all?
They bought one album.
They bought one album?
Yeah, if you
I'm just-
want all of those, she can count them up and make you a deal.
I will too. Get them gone.
Oh, I gotta go back to that whole bag that I need.
Don't we all?
I've got one purse. Back one. What, $3 for the hot water bottle?
Yeah.
What do you have on this DVD set?
Which one is that?
Wait a minute, that one is one is that the one that, let me see.
All in the family?
I said 10.
Yeah, that's the one. She's 10, did she say?
10.
I don't know who sold it for that, but somebody got it, I guess.
That's crazy.
I suppose you're too young to be an Elvis fan, right?
I just bought a whole bunch of Elvis records an hour ago, so.
I've got a bag of collectible stuff if you'd like to look at it.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
It's DVDs, ceramic license plate, the pen, quite a few things.
Okay.
I'll bring it out.
Yeah, I can check it out if you don't mind.
What, these supposed to fit inside a boot or something?
Yeah, they're boot inserts.
Huh?
Yes, boot inserts.
How much are they?
Take 50 cents for a pair.
All right, I have the book, the old TV guidebook,
Mhm.
and those, and then this has
Here, I'll take one.
a
Appreciate it.
ceramic license plate, his pen, and then if you want to look at all these DVDs, one of them's when he was on Ed Sullivan. Some of them.
And you're trying to sell everything together?
I would
that-
like to,
Okay.
but I would separate. See, the Ed Sullivan shows,
Mhm.
that's a little book. This one, let me show you the one. I bought this for, not this one, but one like it for my son for Christmas when it came out,
Mm-hmm.
and it was $50 for the
So it
set.
depends on-
Yeah.
Comeback special. And this is different things from his life. Elvis forever. Let's see here. Rare Moments with the King. Yeah, you feel free to open them up.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
This one
spot
even
check
has
it.
the papers and books with it. The
Gotcha.
papers.
Yeah. Yeah, they look complete. All right. Did you have an idea of a number you were looking to?
For everything,
Yeah,
I wanted 50 for all of it.
50.
And that one, the one DVD set cost that much new when it was bought.
Yeah.
50 for everything. Oh, another Elvis magnet.
I had that on my refrigerator.
Just came off.
What is it? Oh, the lights? I think she said 5 a set or all 3 for 10. There's another magnet. There's 3 or
Gotcha.
4 here.
Yeah. I don't think I could go to 50. I
Well,
would.
could you do 40?
I would. I was thinking 35 in my head.
Okay.
Honestly, you'll take 35.
Yeah.
All right.
This
Let's
is,
do that.
I'm not, and I'll put it in this bag for
Okay,
you.
appreciate it. And then
It's right here, your stuff.
oh, I think I'm at 15 with you over there.
Okay.
He
So,
owes me 35.
so,
Yeah,
Okay.
so 45, 50.
so even 50. Do you mind if I just did you need me to
No,
split it
just-
up? That's
I
that's
know
cool.
it goes in the same thing.
Okay,
So there
cool.
you go.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, welcome back. Paid a total of $91 for everything you saw in those few sales and came out with, so did pretty well. There's a few more sales I hit up on this day, so stay tuned for the next video for those. First sale, I've never heard of a Sansa MP3 player. I don't know if y'all have. Does very well. I basically got it for free. Gave him $1 for a cassette AC adapter and that guy. So they sell often. Look out for them if you can find them. I've never heard of them, but it sold within a few hours. The second sale where I picked up that radio, I was actually going to personally use that for my vehicle. Then I realized actually my wife probably needs one more than I do, although mine's going out right now, aside from the fact. But her stock radio sells very well too, so eventually, there's sometimes stock radios can be slow sellers, but they eventually sell, and you can normally get them, unload them off in between maybe $30 on a low end, depending on the unit, all the way up to around $100. I know you also saw probably that sewing machine next to it. I'm just staying away from bulky items. I have limited storage space in this apartment, so, and I pack everything up once I list it. Also at that same sale, there was that Under Armour sweatshirt, which I actually was gonna personally use. I said, I'll just unload it. And that actually went out to a viewer. David, thank you very much for the support. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the sweatshirt or whatever you're gonna make use, or whoever that's going to. And of course, Elvis, like the title says, has entered the building. I have now learned that you need to be very picky and choosy when you are collecting or reselling Elvis. For the collectors is what I'm trying to say. They're very picky and choosy. I know that. You have to basically know your Elvis. So that's a lesson learned over that day, which is, you know, sometimes you have to pay for knowledge. So passing that along, look your Elvis up, know if it's selling. Some of it is just gonna sit, which it is, but if any of y'all want some Elvis, it is up on the store still. Or if you just need a DVD to test some items out, there's a cheap DVD of Elvis on there, and you can watch it for once or 1,000 times. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video, like I mentioned. Hope you all having a safe and great time out there in this beautiful world. Have a good day. Bye.